You guys already know Korean skincare changed my life, but these are the 3 products that really changed my skin for the better and products I've been using for the longest time. First is this mist. It's the Seoris mist. And it's not just your ordinary mist. It's got jojoba seed oil and macadamia seed oil that's going to deeply hydrate your skin and acts as a toner. This product needs no introduction because if there's one thing that defines K-beauty, it is snail mucin. There's a reason why there's no other companies that try to even replicate it, because it's just that good. And truly, it's one of the things that has changed my life for the better and what really got me into K-beauty. Then we have this moisturizer. It's a Matacera cream, and actually one of the first products that I bought on Sokoglam because I was like, what can cure my constantly red skin and rosacea? And this product just rescued everything for me. So we have all those 3 products and my byAVA Resilient Skin Booster that is going to give you that outer glow and an inner glow all in one box. This is the first time I'm ever doing a box with a brand because it was that special and I truly trust these products. So we're selling all of this for $85 and I hope you guys enjoy to get that glowing skin inside and out.